Well, we're back. Crypto Big Boss. Hey, you guys ever see something that you just can't believe just when you thought you'd seen it all? Right smack dab in the middle square, in the middle of between your eyes, you get hit with a rock, and then upper hook, a left hook, and then all of a sudden a right cross, and you have to look straight ahead and you wonder, did I really see that? Well, yeah, here it is. NOSHIT coin. Is this a real coin? I couldn't believe it. I'm like sitting up here and I'm like thinking, how did this actually make it on Coin Market Cap? It's actually called that, okay? And here we go again. There's no telling how, that's a really small number, how much it's worth. And yeah, it does have a market cap of $2 million. Is this right? People have spent $2 million on NOSHIT coin. It's ranked 3,164. Is this a joke or is this real? Let's go over to the site and let's just take a look. I hope my computer's not getting infected. That looks terrible. Okay. No, I'm not going to accept any cookies from this. Top number one trending on CoinMarketCap. Buy now on Pancake Swap. Here it is. NOSHIT. This is the ultimate shit coin. I just hope they don't ban this on YouTube. Look at this. Is this real? Can't they come up with a better name for the coin? Join our Telegram. Regular live videos on Amos. No bullshit promises about saving the planet. Just the real blank, and we can stick to it. You know what? I've probably cursed enough already. Buy it on Pancake Swap. Read our white paper. Here's a little graph. They're just saying they're a crap coin. They're just saying they're a crap coin, and people spent $2 million on this. Let's go ahead and read the white paper. I bet it's just as bad. Okay? Look at this. They're going to put the big old poo, a green piece of poo on the screen. They're going to call themselves a NOSHIT coin, the ultimate crap coin, and no bullshit promises about saving the planet. They wrote the same exact thing. No winning games, no shit reviews and audits, community engagement rewards, in-game, wait a minute. In-game NFTs and no shit. Okay, so what does that mean? Does it mean they're going to have them or not? Countless blank coins get released every day, bringing nothing new to the crypto community, but tons of useless crap. Use this bull crap promises from BS promises of mastermind projects, scam coins to copycat meme tokens. It became so hard to tell the blank blank from the real blank. No blank. Oh my goodness. Coin is honest token that doesn't pretend to solve. Listen to this. Doesn't pretend to solve the world's problems. It only focuses on the blank community, and the only goal of, I'm having a good time trying not to curse. I don't want YouTube to take this video down. Through educational prize winning games and community engagement rewards, we want to teach, you know what? I'm just going to stop here. There's no winning games. There's let's see. Entertaining and educational prize-winning games will be introduced regularly. Wait a minute. Entertaining and educative. Okay, y'all need to learn that. I don't know. Maybe that's the right way to spell it. Prize-winning games will be introduced regularly in order to keep NOSHIT platform as attractive as possible. Players can level up and earn rewards. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all look at this. Y'all looking at this. Computer. Oh my goodness. Ah.